Ka Cabinet hine kasngi kala ai ka jing Mynjur ya ka Meghalaya Industrial and Investment Policy da ka babo hakmat e jing tmu jong ka sarkar ban pin poi ya ka yok ka kot ha ka jela sha ka shipau billion ha bakrem klap thai khubor hadian jong ka jing elang Myntri rangba ka jela konrit ke sangma ula pentip ba ka sarkar jela kalai kren ru halor ke industries Meghalaya agency khnang ban pintikna baka jing bay tingka ka bahe hakisnat rekam jong kiri shimet kan poi shaka jela da ka bapentip baka ni ka rukom trekam ka longkat kum ka North East Industrial Policy ka balapin bana dangshen da ka sarkar India ula pentip ru ba ka sarkar kan ai ya kattu kat ni ki jing erap hapo jong ka policy ka thamai kum ka capital investment subsidy but ka interest payment subsidy but ka jing penyo yang ya kattu kat ni ki jing siu GST but SGST
also make the reservation policy.
We have come out with the new industrial and investment policy, and this has also been aligned with the Northeast policy that has come in recently, which was announced by Government of India last week. And in this new industrial policy, there are different areas of incentives that we are giving, whether it is from the capital investment that we'll be providing to interest subsidy, incentive for interest payments will be provided, and at the same time we'll be providing also certain components of GST, the SGST,